PDF thumbnails not showing up in Windows 11. When opening a PDF file, it will open with the Microsoft Edge browser. You need to change the application that opens with PDF files. Now change your application and select Adobe Acrobat. Now open a PDF file. Then go to Menu. Then Preferences. Then General tab. Now select Enable PDF Thumbnail Preview in Windows Explorer. Then OK. Then click Yes. Now some additional files will be downloaded to your computer. Now PDF Thumbnail Preview is working on your Windows 11.